Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand, Gelfand Realty, your broker in the state of Florida, New York. Guys, I would like to show you some very nice apartment in Porto Bellagio. It's very inexpensive apartment, so you can afford it if you're thinking about second home or you want to relocate. So this is second floor apartment with the beautiful views of the canal. It's intercoastal and it is facing northwest. So basically this is one bedroom in building called Porto Bellagio. Why it's get my attention? Because number one, a price $239. Again, it's a very attractive price for one bedroom apartment in sunny house. Because again, building is young, it's 2003, and it has one parking, washer dryer in a unit, maintenance only $250. So basically, if you can buy the unit, all your expenses going to be roughly around $500-600 per month, all included in internet, water, and property taxes, and insurance you have to have. Okay, guys, it's one bedroom, den area, living room, and again, apartment one bedroom, full bathroom with a big size of the tap. So you're gonna see what is inside. Again, pet friendly building. It's pet friendly any size. I mean, you don't have any limitations, so you can have big, small, whatever you can. And again, it's like I said before, it's very important, washer, dryer in a unit. A lot of buildings for the same price range, around 240, 250, up to 300, older, and they don't have washer dryer. This building has washer dryers and covered parking. Guys, covered parking in Miami, you know, it could be funny. It's no snow for sure, but again, a lot of sun, rains, so it's gonna keep your car clean, and it's the same level with the apartment, so you don't need to go with a far away to the parking. So it's the same level, second floor. Again, this is bedroom, which is can fit easy king size bed, and very big size of the closet. It's walk-in closet, so you can fit all your stuff. Again, asking price today $239. It's very aggressive, low price. This is why I did video for you. So if you're thinking for second home, it could be great investment or great purchase. Again, it could be good for the family of two plus kid, without kid, whatever. Again, the best schools, it's sunny house, it's close to everything. It's 5-7 minutes to the beach. I mean, it's exactly 5-7 minutes, you know, slow motion. It's public beach. You can go at Aqualina, you can go at any building which is you want. There is public beach on a 174. Guys, if you have some questions and you need to know exactly where is it, always on under video we have links to the website. So it has map, price changes, everything. So you keep in mind, sign for our channel, and always you can find all information below the video. Guys, feel free to call me and by WhatsApp, Viber, and I will be glad to see your comments. See you soon.